you stick welding, you flux core welding, and you MIG welding.
Yep.
So tell us this: out of every position you've learned up to this point, the flat, the vertical, the horizontal, and the overhead, which one would you say is the most difficult to learn?
Overhead.
The overhead.
It's
Okay,
overhead. It's overhead off top. Whether it's stick, flux, MIG, it's overhead off top.
Overhead with you? Okay, overhead. And tell me why the overhead is the one that kind of gave you a challenge.
Well, I think it's like the same routine, but it's above your head.
It's above
your
your head.
What I mean?
Okay.
So it's above your head. So it's kind of like you gotta twerk. You know what I'm saying? Some little things going on. So you gotta change little things. But overall, it ain't just the hardest thing.
But that's the one that gives you the more challenge.
Yeah.
Because everybody got their ones and said, you know what, this one right here, I really had to work on this one.
Yeah.
But you had the skills, but it was the learning how to position yourself and make the angle so that way you won't burn yourself up and still perform the well.
Yeah.
So okay. So at the end of the day, would you recommend to somebody else? Would you tell somebody else in Little Rock, Arkansas, or surrounding areas, hey, to come down here and dive into the program?
100%. I'm already doing it.
That's what I'm talking about.